Your powder room might be small, but it's often the most used space in your home. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the wow factor of adding in a floating vanity, how it gives you that modern flair, elevates your space, and gives you that illusion of more spaciousness. Let's get after it. A floating vanity will create a sleek, modern look and make your space look a little bit larger. Now, for this build, we went with fully custom. And all that means is that we just framed out this floating vanity. So we had full control over the width, the depth, and the height of this vanity. We also had the option of making the countertop waterfall off the side and install a light underneath it. The choices are kind of overwhelming. So do a little research online, maybe go to Pinterest and take a look at some inspirational ideas and figure out what's going to work best in your space. For this build, we decided to do floating vanities in all of the bathrooms with one main difference as compared to the powder room is we went with the cabinet manufacturer to design these floating vanities. So similar concept, they don't go all the way to the floor. We have that space underneath it where we will incorporate the LED light strip underneath. But these vanities will have a storage space. So doors and drawers, one for each sink, so you have the extra space to put in the things that you need in a regular bathroom. Now, there are some constraints, and obviously cost is one of them. As you can imagine, just putting in some framing material on a piece of drywall with a countertop is going to be a little bit less expensive than doing the floating vanities through your cabinet manufacturer, but that is a personal preference, and if it were my house, I would definitely do the cabinets in all of the other baths. A custom floating vanity in any bathroom, especially that powder room, is a great way to add that sophisticated touch. Now let me know in the comments section below what your favorite powder room element is. And if you're enjoying this home building journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share it with a friend. Around here we say mock it up or mess it up. We'll see you next time.